Say hi to Ate Sofia. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Aya. Panibagong araw, panibagong vlog na naman. So today guys, kasama ko na naman si Gianna. Ayan, hi Gianna. So, naglalaro lang siya guys. Ayan, favorite niya kasi yung mga collection ko dito. Ano yung collection ng Pop Mart? So guys, ngayong araw na to, in-invite ko si Sofia at si Sid na kumain ng sangyup. So, na kami ni Gianna. So, ngayon, mag-grab lang ako. Kasi nga, pagod na akong mag-drive. Kasi whole day din ako nag-drive today. Kaya ngayon, mag-grab-grab na lang kami ni Gianna. Okay lang ba sa'yo mag-grab? Is it okay if we're going to ride a grab?
Yeah.
Wow, Gianna is so cute. Come on! Let's go! Let's go put some perfume. Umiiyak siya kasi nga, nasira daw yung toy niya. O, ayan, pinagsisira niya guys. Kinalbo niya yung ano dito. Ayusin ko na lang yan mamaya. So, maglalagay lang si Gianna ng perfume guys. Gianna, come here. Put some perfume. Ayan, so, what perfume do you want? Maybe that one?
No!
Which one you want? Oh, but that one is old already. That one, the other one. Which one you like? This one. Oh, put some perfume. Ah, this one. I think this one is mabango. Magpabango ka na para sabihin ni Ate Sofia mamaya. Your good smell. Put some perfume. So, papabango na si Gianna. And, of course, me too. Pabango kami guys. Siyempre, imimit namin ang mga friends namin. So, kailangan namin mag-perfume. Kaya, let's go na guys! Behave, not be so makulit. Okay?
If I be like her, she will be happy.
Yes! She will like you too.
She will give me money. I will be makulit with her.
Oh, you will be makulit with her? How makulit?
Bruh.
Oh my God. Don't be so makulit, ha? Finally, you can meet Ate Sofia. She's really famous YouTuber, you know, in Philippines.
She's very makulit.
No, she's not very makulit, but
When she go restaurant, she's makulit.
she can eat a lot, I think. Yeah. Are you excited? Ah, Gianna is so excited. So if you meet Ate Sofia, what are you gonna say?
Hello.
Hello. Hello, Ate Sofia. Do you have gift for Ate Sofia?
Okay, I'll say. What is my gift to her na lang? Oh, maybe this candy na lang.
Oh, yeah, maybe. Oh, that's a lot. That's yours.
Or this one biscuit. I don't like it.
You don't like, that's why you're gonna give to her. Oh, that's not nice. Gianna, say hi to Ate Sofia.
Hi.
Ate Sofia is there, oh. Hindi ka pinansin. Gianna, give me the phone. You eat lobat, no? Mami,
I like it.
what do you want? You just Say hi to Ate Sofia. Oh, you have gift to Ate Sofia, right? Yeah. I guess. Oh, you have gift. You have gift. Oh, so sweet. Diba you have more gift? Oh, you have more gift. You give me. Oh, why you don't talk? Diba you talk a lot? Why you don't talk na? Shy? Oh, Gianna is shy. I can't believe.
Hello.
Just say thank you. Like this. Huh? Okay.
I would like this.
You eat. Oh, you eat more. OMG. This is really. It's not me. Why smell bad? Ate Sofia said it smells bad. It's not me, maybe it's Gianna. Are you smell bad?
I shower.
You shower?
Yeah, when I go with you.
Oh. You shower when you go with me.
Kuha mo na kami po. Ayun guys, hindi ko ma-attitude yung bata kasi parang naaawa ko, hindi ko kaya. Binigyan pa ako ng gift.
Here.
Kuha mo na kami ng mga foods guys.
Bakit naman you're wearing that one?
This first, Sabi's clothes.
Ate, Aya, change it.
Oh, Isis, kain ka.
Ate, sabi niya sila. Yeah, I know.
Yari ka, pinipaprank talaga, B. Yari ka talaga. Dumating yung tatay niyo, B. Hindi mo talaga maprank. Tatay. Papa ni Gianna. Ayaw maniwala. Oh, hindi tinatanong ka.
Hindi natanong niya, mukha mo daw siyang Pilipina.
What do you want to eat more, baby? Ayaw mo kumain.
Because you are very fat now.
Oh, you're so fat.
Eating rice.
Hindi ka naniniwala ko yung nanay.
That's your auntie.
Oh, that one, my mommy.
Auntie.
No.
Auntie.
No, you're liar.
Right?
It's Tita Mami.
Yana.
You introduced to Ate Sophia. Hello, this is my Tita Mami. Anak niya ba talaga? Anak mo ba daw talaga? Yung secret.
You have exam, huh? Did you study? No.
Dati ni Gianna B.
Where's Lucas?
Why? Uy! Gianna, later you will hear.
Go sit down.
It's hot there, ah.
Go na, sit down.
Meron ba? Fire.
Ano?
May attitude prank niya daw. You will prank Ate Sophia, right?
No.
Hindi nga siya marunong mag-prank. Uy, ayaw niya. Ayaw na mag-prank si Mackenzie eh. Ayaw.
Pero attitude niya yung ano eh.
Kaya nga, sabi niya, no, Mackenzie is my friend. I don't like to prank her. Pero kanina nag-aaway sila.
Agod.
Laro ka, tapos i-attitude pa iyak yan.
Okay lang yun. Sabi niya, I'm gonna meet Ate Sophia. Sabi niya, yes. Sabi niya, she will give me money.
Sophie, paano? Idol kayo ng anak ko. Kaya si Ay ka lang idol. Araw-araw kayo.
It's a prank.
Hindi ko talaga alam yung akala ko
Hindi
talaga
bata
ano
yun
siya.
na prank.
Parang hindi siya nagkaanak muna.
Oo.
Ano si Dan?
Ilang taong ba yung bata?
Nag-ano siya, nag-casting siya ng ano eh, ng bench.
Baka sabihin niya sa mama niya ang attitude si Ate Sophia.
Sinabi ko man kay ano, kaya ko paprank si si Gianna. Papayakin ni Sophia. Naku, hindi niya mapaiyak yan.
Hindi mo maiyak yan.
Let's prank Kenzie ha. You must be mean to Kenzie. I don't like to prank Kenzie. She's my friend. Tapos kayo naman, grabe naman yung niya. Sabi niya, hindi yan mong paprank na na mean siya. Kasi ugali niya talaga yan.
Yun lang ding anak nila.
Oh, isa lang. So, ayan guys, pauwi na kami at hindi natuloy yung prank namin kay Gianna.
Kasi hindi ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya i-prank kasi ang bait. Binigyan pa ako ng
May gift pa siya, oh.
wala sila papatasunod pa sila sunod sa akin. Nung nakuha ko ng mga pagkain, sabi niya, what do you want? Tapos, dinayan siya, hindi naman siya. Parang wala lang sa kanya.
Bi, paano ka
Walang
naman?
effect, sinusundan niya pa din ako. Baka yung mukha ko parang hindi lang.
Paano ka naman kasi magtaray? Pero nakangiti pa din. Parang wala effect. Kasi sumisigaw. Diba? Nakakaloka. So guys, yung prank today ay fail. Siya yung na-prank actually.
Secret na lang.
Pero secret kung bakit. Char. So guys, kung natuwa kayo sa video namin, mag-subscribe na kayo. Ayan. At mag-comment lang kayo kung ano po yung mga gusto nyo gawin namin. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And ring the bell button.